There's a secret code you can use on your Firestick to cancel pretty much all your cable or sports subscriptions, because in this app you'll be able to watch any channel or any live sports free of charge in all countries of the world basically. There are channels from Australia, Canada, UK, US, Europe, and so on. And now, without any further ado, let me show you how to get this amazing app to the Firestick device. First of all, what you have to do is get this app called Downloader. You can get Downloader free of charge from the official Amazon App Store. Just go and click on that button with a magnifying glass icon. Then go to search, here we go, and start typing Downloader in the search. And there, as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. Now click on Downloader, and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But now, after you got this app, it's not ready to use yet, because we still have to set it up. So to stop Downloader on the Firestick, we have to go to Settings, so go back to your home screen and click on that button with a gear icon. Open it. Then you have to go and open My Fire TV, and from here there's a need to turn on developer options. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that is the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's because I already had developer options turned on in the past. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you click back button on your remote, you will finally see developer options. Open them, turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and in here all you need to do is locate downloader and then turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on your Fire Stick. Here it is. Let me open it. Wait until it loads, and finally there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on the Fire Stick. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost only a couple of bucks per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Belgium right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is gonna be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And it is really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we just go back to Downloader, locate the application, and open it up on your Firestick device. Then you'll see a home screen of the downloader with a search bar in the middle. You open it and this keyboard is going to appear. You can use it to either enter a link and visit any website that you want, or enter codes which usually are used to download all kinds of applications to your Firestick. In our case today, we'll be using a code, which will be 7278004. So once again, 7278004. That is the code we are using today. Click on that go button, and in a couple of moments the download of the app will start. And while we're waiting, make sure to subscribe my channel, so you will get even more tutorials about Firesticks, like this one. And then the app got downloaded in literally a couple of seconds. The next step is clicking install on the app, and now we wait until the app finishes installation files. And then do not click on open yet, at least I do not recommend you to hit that button straight away, because there is a better way to do that. Instead, we click done, as this way you get an option to delete the installation files, which is not needed anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. And then if you go back to the list of applications of your Firestick, here it is, let me open it. Wait a moment for it to load, and now there at the bottom you will find this new application which we got for you. So now, first of all, I will recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button on the remote. Click on it and then press on move to front. This way, the app will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it's gonna be super easy for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, you can get an amazing deal for NordVPN if you use a link below the video or in a pinned comment below this video. You can get 3 months free of charge. Then feel free to finally open this new app. And here you might see such a message which says that a new update is available. And actually, in order to install the updated version of the app, we will have to visit settings one more time. So click on My Fire TV again, go back to developer options, install unknown apps, and now locate Sports X application. That is the app we're gonna use, and turn that option on. We have to do that so the app would be able to download the updated version of this application. Then turn back to the list of apps on your device and open Sports X again. So we'll open it, click on the Update Now button, and download of the updated version has started. Then press install again and wait a bit for the install to finish. Then click done, and then you'll have to reopen the app once again. And now from here, you get access to all kinds of live sports and live TV events. I just had to blur out my screen because YouTube does not allow me to show you the exact channels or events available in this app. But in your case, of course, it is not gonna be blurry. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.